Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mirror your screen on your phone on your iDrive 7. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so the iDrive 7, and I believe iDrive 6 gives you the ability to mirror the screen on your phone on your iDrive screen. Now, in order to actually view, like, let's say like if you're watching YouTube or anything like that on your phone and you mirror it on your device up here on your iDrive screen, if you start driving, it will shut off. So you do have to code in using Beamer code, and I've done a video on this. I'll be linking this right up here. You do have to code in video in motion in order to get the video to play while you're driving. If you do not code in video in motion, it will stop as soon as you put the car in drive. So if you want it to play while you're driving, you do have to code in video in motion first. So I've already coded in video in motion. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can, like, you know, watch Netflix or watch YouTube or anything that's on your phone, how you can cast it and mirror it right on your iDrive screen. So I'm actually going to be doing this on my work phone. I have a Samsung S20 Plus, so I'm actually going to be doing that on this because it's a lot easier on Android. The only way I've been able to see that it works on an actual Apple device, you have to download an app called like Miracast, and Miracast wants you to pay for it, and I'm not doing that because I don't really not going to be casting that much. And I already have CarPlay. CarPlay doesn't allow you to mirror your screen. So for the Apple folks, I'm not sure of any other way how you can do it without paying for an app. The regular screen mirroring built within the Apple device does not allow you to connect to the screen mirroring that's in this car. So I guess that's one win for the Android guys. I know y'all gonna be all in the comments saying that's another reason why Android's better than Apple, blah blah blah, whatever. But anyway, my main driver is an iPhone and my work phone is an Android, so there you have it. But it is I am going to be showing you the guys today, for the people out there that do have Androids, how to be able to mirror on an Android device. So let's go ahead and get into this video. And all right, as you guys can see right here, I do have my Android device right here. So what I'm going to be doing now is actually going to the iDrive settings right in here. So what I'm going to do, this right here is the home screen. So what you're going to do is go over to media, which is right here. I already have it connected. And then you actually want to go to screen mirroring. So once you go to screen mirroring there, you want to hit connect new device if it hasn't already been connected yet. So hit connect new device, and then it's going to tell you right there, start Miracast on the external device. So Android doesn't use Miracast. Android actually uses, you can use a smart view. So what you want to do on the Android, you'll pull the top down right here, and then pull it down one more, and now you see you're on this screen right here. So you'll move it over to smart view. So smart view is going to be right there. Click on smart view, and then you'll see your BMW number pop right up on the screen right there. So this is BMW 15407. So click that, and it's going to ask you down here, pretty much, are you sure you want to start sharing your screen? So I want to hit yes. So start now, and then as you see right there, it says allow connection to S20 Plus, and I'll hit yes, and then boom, as you guys can see right there, it is mirroring my screen that is on my phone. So this is my phone, kind of right there, and that's what's shown on the screen. So in order to get this to turn, if you keep your phone upright like this, it's going to stay upright on the screen. But if I turn it, so let's say I'm watching something, go to YouTube, and then I turn my phone sideways, boom, and you're just going to turn sideways up there. So I turn the phone sideways down here, and it turns sideways up there. So let's go ahead and play a video real quick just so y'all can see how this works. And those lines that y'all may be seeing, that is just because of the frame rate of this actual display. But this is a video I actually did on Your Empire's truck. I actually posted on the channel for those who may not have watched it yet. But as you can see right there, video's playing, and we are good to go. And then also it's playing down here on the phone. So I'm gonna pull the phone up. So right now, when you're playing a video, it comes up on this screen right here. But if you just swipe up from the bottom, you'll actually be able to pull up all the regular options. So this is just a default screen right there on the phone. And as you can see right there, video's playing. No issues whatsoever. And since I have video in motion coded, let me turn this down a little bit. Since I have video in motion coded, this video will keep playing while I'm driving. So now what I'm gonna do is put the car in park. So car's in reverse now. Reverse camera's up, but as y'all still can hear, still playing the song of the video we're watching. All right, so the video's still playing. The car is actually in drive down here. The video's still playing, and I'm actually driving. The video's still playing, and we're good to go. So if you want the video to play while you're still driving, you will have to code in video in motion. And that's kind of cool, seeing my logo right there. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys, so I just showed you how to mirror your screen on your phone, on your iDrive device. Super easy, super simple, takes a couple steps, and you're good to go, man. So if anyone knows how to do it on your iPhone without using a paid app, please comment down below. Let me know if you figured it out. I haven't figured it out yet, but granted, I have an Android device, so I can just use that to screen mirror whenever I want to. I have not figured out how to do it on an Apple device. So if you know, comment down below, let me know, then I can do a video on that too. So that's gonna be today's video. I appreciate everyone watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.